In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy hosting from Hostinger. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open a Hostinger account. This is the foundation for everything else, because your account is where you'll manage your hosting plan, your website settings, and any future upgrades if you need them. When creating your account, just follow the sign-up process on the screen and make sure the information you enter is accurate so you can access your account smoothly later on. Once you're inside the website, look for the Web Hosting section and click on it. This is the area where Hostinger displays its available hosting options. If you're new to hosting, this page is especially helpful because it gives you a clear overview of the different plans and what each one is designed for. Here, you'll be able to see the hosting plans offered, such as single, premium, unlimited, or cloud startup, depending on what is currently available. Take your time at this stage and read through the offers carefully. Each plan usually comes with different features, storage limits, performance levels, and allowances for websites or traffic. Choosing the right plan depends on what kind of website you want to build and how much flexibility you may need in the future. If you're just getting started with a simple website, you may find that an entry-level option works well. If you expect to manage more than one website or want additional resources, a higher tier plan may be a better fit. The important thing here is not to rush. Spend a moment comparing the plan details so you can feel confident about your decision before moving on. After you decide which hosting plan is right for you, click Choose Plan. This will take you to the next stage of the purchase process. From there, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen. Hostinger usually guides you step by step, making the checkout process straightforward and easy to complete. As you move through the prompts, pay attention to the details shown before confirming anything. This helps you make sure you've selected the plan you want and understand what's included. Once everything looks correct, continue through the checkout process until your hosting purchase is complete. And that's it. That's how to buy hosting from Hostinger. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be able to choose a plan that matches your needs and complete the setup without confusion.